In this tap dance mini lesson tutorial, you're going to learn an 8 count from my Swingset tap dance combination, and you'll also get some technical pointers. If you want to learn the first half of the combination and download the music, click on the link below. And to learn the entire combination, consider becoming a paid member to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump in.
By continuing to watch this video, you are agreeing to relieve United Taps and its staff of any liability for injuries or damages caused by watching or attempting any of the movements presented in this video. If you do not agree to this, please discontinue watching this video now. Thank you.
Starting with the right foot, you have step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. A nice, easy grapevine pattern with my left crossing behind first. 6, ready, go. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel. Followed by dig, dig, touch, stamp. Again, that was dig, dig, touch, stamp. And on those digs, I'm not putting my weight, right? And on the touch, I'm not putting my weight, but I am going to put my weight on that final stamp. Let's connect all these pieces from the top. 6, ready, go. Step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, dig, dig, touch, stamp. I'm going to do that one more time. 6, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 7, Cool. And that's your nice little 8 count. Talking about technique, a lot of times people have weak heels on these step heels. Right? You can hear the heels, but they're kind of weak. Put a little more pressure. Don't go crazy, but a little more pressure. Pressure, 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 pressure. Dig and dig. Touch and stamp. And we talked about where your weight should be on the digs and the touches and the stamps. If you want to spice it up even more, instead of keeping your body up and up and up and up and, you can kind of take it up and down, then up, touch, stamp. You can even take your head with that final stamp. I'll show you that again. I'm going up for the first 2, up, then down, then dig, dig, and touch and stamp. Yeah? Why don't we try this with music and see how that goes, right? I'll start a little slow, and then we'll work up to real speed. 5, 6, ready, go. Nice, let's roll it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time this speed. 5, 6, ready, go. Beautiful. Now let's jump to real speed. You're going to feel the difference, but hang in there. You can do it, right? Here we go. Real speed. Woo! 6, 7, go! Again. 5, 6, 7, hey! One more. 5, 6, ready, hey! Beautiful. If you had a great time with that, click on the link below. You can learn the first half of the entire combination and download the music all for free. If you want to learn the entire combination, that's 8 counts, consider being a paid member to my YouTube channel. Now let's take a look at the entire combination facing you. Thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and that you dropped a comment down below. Anything you put there is helpful to us. Again, if you want to learn the next 3 8 counts of the combination, plus download the music all for free, click on the link in the description below. And if you'd like to learn the entire combination, that's 8 counts, you can consider becoming a paid member to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for tapping with me. Be sure to hop on over to UnitedTaps.com when you get a chance for a ton of great tap dance content. I, of course, am Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.